This question asks us to draw a mechanism for this alternative method of synthesizing a haloalkane. The first step is going to be sulfur attacking the chlorine molecule, kicking out chloride Cl- as a leaving group. That's going to form a new intermediate with a sulfur-chlorine bond. Sulfur also now has 3 bonds and a positive charge. That makes sulfur electrophilic, and chlorine can now be a leaving group, so we'll take a lone pair on oxygen, attack sulfur, and kick out chloride as a leaving group. That will form a new intermediate with an oxygen-sulfur bond. Sulfur is still attached to the 2 methyl groups, still has a positive charge. Oxygen now is still attached to its hydrogen and also has a positive charge. Cl- as a base will neutralize the oxygen. And now this whole piece can become a leaving group for another chloride when it attacks. This chloride will now do the substitution. It will attack the carbon bearing the oxygen, kicking out this whole group as a leaving group. That will form our desired product, the sulfur-oxygen bond, the byproduct with the sulfur-oxygen bond, and HCl as a byproduct. This is the mechanism for this reaction.